Hello, my name is Roa Hanoun. I'm 24 years old and I'm from Balata refugee camp in Palestine. First of all, I just want to thank you to be here and giving me your time to listen to my story. It really means a lot. First, I studied computer engineering at Pearson University. That was my first big choice in my life. And I think in that point, I changed really my life. It's like a turning point in my life. But that wasn't easy, especially for a woman living in a camp, because neither the culture nor the financial situation support my idea to live and study in another city alone. So it really wasn't easy. But yeah, even with this limitation, I made it, and I graduated with a very good grade. After that, I always thinking like, okay, so what's next now? I know that Pirzayat, it's not my dream. I think my dream is more bigger than this. So I start searching to find something else. And I found that the work, it's not my field because especially for a woman, I want to develop myself and to contribute in a field dominated by men in Palestine. And you know, in Palestine, aren't many job opportunity. So I start searching for master programs outside Palestine. And yeah, as usual, there were limitations and challenges. I faced delays with IELTS test and I lost a major scholarship. So this whole process, from dreaming to actually starting, it took a lot. So it took 2 years. And yeah, finally I made it because I believe that there's no limit, Ra, and you can do it. Even if it's not this year, you can do it in the next year. So I kept going and I made it. Now I'm in Groningen. I'm doing my pre-master at Hansa University. The university here offered me a pre-master because my master is data science for life sciences. They required a special biology material, so I'm doing that now. Data science for life sciences basically about how to use the clinical information and genomic data to analyze your diseases. Like, for example, we can use your DNA sequences or clinical information for you to detect and to know what the inherited diseases you have and how we can defend them in the future. Or we can more even gives you a personalized treatment for you and this situation. So it's basically about how we can develop this kind of information. So we have this information and how we can analyze it to have a big understandable of biological health and this kind of information. And yeah, you know, this kind of knowledge, it's not widely developed in Palestine and even in the Middle East. So yeah, there's a part of my dream is to take this knowledge back to them. Maybe, for example, like when we treat COVID-19, we remembered like we take the vaccines from other countries and they just understand and analyze the historical of biological data for viruses and use this information and develop it to have a new virus. So yeah, for the first time, everything started to falling into place. Thanks to my family, they always support me and believing in my dream. They support me financially to reach the pre-master program. So yeah, now I'm in the middle. I cannot go back and I cannot continue without studying here. So here your part. Here you can be a part of my story. Even without support me financially, just you can share this video and to go to the right people. They can help me and believing in my dream.